Hello guys, I'm a bit sick. So this is a fast forward of the 15-second chart of LCID. You see I was entering at 42.20 for a short side because the stock was in a minus 6% gap down. So there probably will be a lot of short sellers. And when I enter, it immediately moved with the momentum down, and I didn't exit with the momentum, and it spiked up. This is the reason why you don't move out of a spike, and I see my stochastic is below the 15%, so I knew I should stay, and I took the first partial at 1-to-1 at 40 cents profit, and then I waited. I put my orders and put first my stop loss. As you see, I put my stop loss above near the high of the movement of the push of the sellers, and then I waited for my second partial, which when I examine the chart, the daily chart, I see a potential to move to the 40 and even to the 38. And because this is the 15-second chart, it's very risky. It could do another attempt to move higher. As you can see, it's resting at the 200 EMA, and it's resting. And I like to ride, big momentum, big wave. But because I took and I was in a profit, I waited, and I see the pressure to break the line. I remove my stop loss to get ready to take my second partial. I see another spike. As you can see, this is another spike up. A lot of short sellers will move out, and then a big move to the downside. And then I took my second partial here, which was near the low of the day. And then I just put OCO order at the entry and later on. And remember, this is a fast forward of the 15-second chart. It doesn't move like that. So from here I just leave the chair and let the stock do the thing. I could remove my profit target. I did it later. As you can see, I remove my profit target again to a key level of near the 40. And the stock is continue moving down, and see how the big momentum and the volume to the downside. So it gives me clear indication that the stock will continue moving higher. Of course, I could add to a winning trade, and then I took a third partial, and the rest I put it near the 40.18 because I know the 40 will be some sort of resistance. I didn't want to wait all day long, even though I could. Maybe I could put a stopping trail. I don't care already because I reached my daily goal. And the last few days I couldn't get most of the time second partial because it was I put my stop loss near the entry. So now I told to myself, put your stop loss very far to let the stock and the price action do the thing, and it did it perfectly. So from here, what you should see, a lot of people entered the 42 area at the beginning while I was entering the 42.20. Why I did so? Because I see the momentum of the sellers didn't finish, and I knew there was more selling pressure. So I decided to enter at 42.20. It was a little bit early. The indicator told me to enter 42.20, but after the big spike up, and this is the big spike which a lot of people who took short at 42 put their stop loss above 42.50 and they moved out. This is the reason why you should be very careful with your stop loss. You see the high level is the 42.60, 42.80, 42.70. This is your first stop loss. And because of that, I was able to capture one of my partial, my first partial, which was great. Later, I'm checking the 5-minute to see where the stock could reach. You see the pre-market where the stock was near the 40. I see the big volume to the downside. I see the stochastic in the oversold area. Then I look at the 60 minutes and I see the potential to get even below to the 38. I came back later, moving to the 1 minute, moving to the 15 seconds. You see another spike up. This is the first reversal, which I knew it was coming. You see the blue line on the stochastic, I draw it. Moving to the 1 minute. It almost gave me my profit, but it waited. I considered myself, should I moved out, but I decided to leave it. I move off the chair and see what happened. It just spiked down, and this is it, guys. Hope you like it. See you guys later.